Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Johnson Joy. I'm back again with another video like I never left. So before I get into today's video, I'd like to say let's make this channel popular. If you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below and also on the bell sign so you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'm sure you guys already know what you want to watch. You've seen the title and you saw the thumbnail before clicking on this video, but I'd like to clarify something so you don't go down there to drop, negative comments, because I'm just going to delete them and block you off. So there's no sex tape in this video. So if you want to see the video, I don't know, because not everybody is on Telegram. I have a Telegram group that I created, to share things like this that are so graphic that can't be shared on YouTube. YouTube have certain policies, rules and regulation, community guidelines that we need to follow. So we need to be careful with what we post and all those stuff. So this one is for sure. I'll be dropping the link definitely in the description box, but I'm so sorry if you don't have a Telegram account, you can't see the video. That's not my own fault. So guys, it's about this video is about this leaked viral sex tape that have been going around on Twitter. I think it's about 1 day now, but I'm just getting to see the video. I just saw the news and I tried to search for the video. I didn't even see the full clip. Some people were saying the video is up to like 5-minute video, but even the one I saw, it was not as if she was forced, or maybe she was raped, or it was or they didn't seek her consent, or she didn't know that they were actually doing a video of her. Like, this is really crazy. That's what I used to say. It happened in the time of viral sex tape of backup university student. She was a 300 level university student of backup university, and when it all happened, the video leaked online and she gets expelled from school. Imagine, you know what the cost of university is, the cost of living in Nigeria, you know how difficult it is to survive. So you would definitely know how difficult it is to send a child to a private university, So that was how that one went. They had to expel her. Now this is another one, and this girl in person, she's not even ashamed. She does not even feel remorse. She does not even feel bad. As in, she came online again to make another video saying that she's an Olosho. So for you guys who doesn't know what Olosho means runs girl. If you also don't know what runs girl means, it means people or ladies or young girls that do prostitution to make money. So they do it in a more classy way, not those people that just go stand on the road and just stand on the road and men will just come and start patronizing them. Maybe they have people who connect them to people, or they already have customers that will just call them on the phone and say, hey babe, where are you? Come and meet me so place. They go there, do their thing and collect their money. So they classify themselves as, oh no, we are not just minor prostitute, we are Olosho. They call themselves Olosho or runs girl or whatever you might want to call it. So the point here is that we should all know that internet does not forget things. Internet keep things. Internet is there to remind you of something. Even some things that have happened 15 years ago, when you type or search about it, it will still come forth. You can see it. We ladies should be careful of what we do, who we do it with, and how we do it. We should be careful. I always say this, even your husband, you should not, your own husband that married you, don't allow him to make video of you. If people are doing your thing, this thing is supposed to be private. So what are you doing? Do you want to reward? I don't know. People who make videos about, videos of them doing, I don't know what to call it, videos of them doing the thing with their partners. I don't know what they want to use those videos to do. Maybe they want to turn themselves to porn star. At the end of the day, you might not even upload the video. Your partner might not upload the video, but your phone can get into the wrong hand. You can get robbed. You can get attacked. You can misplace your phone. Maybe somebody will see your phone and decide not to return the phone, and they hack into your phone, no matter the security you say you have on your phone. And at the end of the day, maybe they will see that kind of thing and start blackmailing you. Just exactly the issue of this young lady. They recorded her. After recording her, It was alleged that the person who leaked the video, that the person started telling her, if you don't want me to leak the video, you must come, so that they can have another round of what they did together the other time. So she have been going, and she decided that no, I'm not going again. And she was actually in a serious relationship as at now when the video leaked. She was in a serious relationship. So because of that, they started threatening her that, if you come, she was going, and, they were having their way until when she decided that she's not going to go. And she decided that she was not going to go. And they leaked the video. Men, you guys should also have conscience. You guys should have conscience. If they do the same thing to your daughter or they do the same thing to your sister, you're definitely not going to be happy with it. Though we don't know the full story. I really don't know. According to what I saw online, people's comments, and what I read online, people were saying, some people were really angry. Even me, I am really, really angry. Like, why will you allow a man? Because the video I saw, it's not as if she didn't know. In some cases, you might not know that somebody is, making a video record of what you are doing. That's a different case. It will be obvious that you didn't know. We know that, okay, this is very bad. But you allow somebody who is not your husband, even if it's your husband, you shouldn't allow it. Somebody who is just a mere boyfriend, or maybe you are just doing, hello, where are you? Come, let me see you do what you want to do and go. You allow somebody like that to video record two of you doing your adult stuff, which is not normal in the first place. And you should know that friendship does not last forever. Even sometimes marriage do break, and your husband might come and blackmail you. Your wife might come and blackmail you. Anything can happen at any time. Nobody is perfect. We are all human beings. We change. Change is very, very, very constant. So ladies, please be careful of the kind of person you work with. Be careful of things you do. Sometimes maybe somebody might be very good. You might not know that they have very, very rotten character. You might not know that they can do something as evil as that. But just be careful, because even if you trust people, you don't know what can happen. Anything can happen. They can come and thief your phone, steal your phone. Or, somebody else can even see the video on your phone and transfer it on their own phone and go and, leak it out. And you'll be surprised. I didn't give anybody my phone. I didn't give anybody my computer. I did not drop my phone with. How come did it get leaked? You will be surprised. So guys, that's all for the video. Just be careful. Please, you guys should stop doing this kind of silly mistake. It's uncalled for. It's something that she could have been able to avoid. She could have been able to avoid it, but well, the whole thing is messed up. Even LAUTECH, that's Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, they denied the fact that they knew the girl. They said they didn't know her. She's not a student of the school. And people were saying she is a student of the school. I'm not surprised about that. It is two ways. It is actually either she is a student of the school, or some people are staying in especially LAUTECH. I've been to LAUTECH before. I've been to LAUTECH twice, so I know about LAUTECH. So it is possible that some people, because the LAUTECH does not have any hostel. So almost all the houses around the university are used as hostel. So there are different hostels. People build houses and they rent it out to students. And sometimes they give it some name. You can see Coconut Hostel. You can see just different names. So some people are even staying around the school, and they are not a student, but they pretend to be a student. So it's possible she's not a student, or maybe she's a student. LAUTECH is just trying to cover up. So the only statement she have come out to make was to come out to say she is a certified delusion. She don't know and we don't know her, so we should not bother about her. That she don't give a fuck. You can imagine that. What somebody whose sex tape is leaked online is saying. Well, she have chosen her own path. I'm so sorry for her, even though she's not sorry for herself. She's a woman like me. She's a lady like me. So I'm so sorry for her that kind of thing happened, because she might not know the effect now, but definitely later in future, I'm sure she's going to regret the whole thing. She's definitely going to regret it. So that is her own mistake. We should learn from other people's mistake. So you ladies out there, watch out. Don't let this kind of thing to happen to you. This is going to be all for this video. I'd like to see your comment in the comment section. What do you think about the whole thing? And I'm going to be dropping the link of the Telegram group so you can join and request for the video. I'm going to send it to you. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button and also on the bell sign so you would be notified anytime I upload a new video and anytime I go live or anytime there's any update on my channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, but before then, you all stay blessed. Peace.